Pothole. Get out of the fucking car.
Well, you're just going on the wrong side of the fucking road now. I was gonna get out of your way, you dumb cunt. Fuck me. Little bit tricky trying to pull out of there. You've got to nose out, nose out, nose out. Now, once I'm too far into that lane, I see a car. So I'm like, nothing coming from the other way. Right, let's go a bit quickly. As I start rolling forward to try and get out of his way, he decides to drive completely onto the other side of the road. Like, I'm aware I was in his way, so I was trying to rectify that. So you just drive on the complete other side of the road, wrong side of the road, and just, stupidity. God, what are you doing? It's not like you even stopped somewhere, you just kept going and closing the space on him. Dickhead. Well, fucking cross the... Fucking idiot. Why fucking do it if you're not going to pick up enough speed? Fucking idiot. You silly cunt.
Times of over, I think, rolled dogs.
Fucking dickhead. Come on. That's what happens when someone is blocked by the fucking A pillar. Don't keep fucking going. You went over a give way. I have right of way. Twat. How fucking slow are you going to pull out of there? I know there's traffic waiting, but literally crawled. Prick. Red light, dickhead! Ah, thank you. I don't need that braking zone, do I? You're my braking zone now. Is that what we're saying? Because I don't think the police would find it that way, and I don't want to kill anyone. clearly doesn't care about his safety. Fucking go! You have right of way, dumbass. Not like he even came storming up. I slowed down and everything. Wonderful parking there. Wonderful. Where the fuck did he just come from? That moped over there, I'm sure he came out of that turn in, but there's a red light for them. How fucking red must your light have been for you to have gone through there, seeing as we were all going on our green? What the fuck? What the fuck is he doing?
That's a bit harder for him. Yeah. He always has an option of coming to live with either of us, obviously. Oh, interesting. Yeah, they're having a